In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files into Google Drive folders efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're organizing personal data or managing work-related documents, knowing how to maneuver files within Google Drive can significantly enhance your productivity. First, you'll want to start by opening up your favorite web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that has access to the files you want to organize. Once you're inside Google Drive, let's focus on getting your files into the appropriate folders. You should see a list of files and folders already present in your drive. Now, identify the file that you wish to move. These files can range from documents, spreadsheets, images, and anything else you might have saved in your drive. Now, you have a couple of options to move your files. One of the easiest ways is by using the drag and drop method. Simply click on the file you want to move, hold down your mouse button, and drag it over to the desired folder. Release the mouse button to drop the file inside the folder. This method is visually intuitive and quick, making it a favorite for many users. If you prefer using menu options, simply right-click on the file you wish to move. A context menu will pop up. From here, click on Move To. A list of your folders will appear. Navigate through this list to choose the folder where you want your file to be moved. If you don't see your desired folder right away, use the small arrows to expand the folder list and locate your target folder. Once you've selected it, hit the Move button at the bottom right of the prompt. Navigating through your folders effectively plays a crucial role here. If your drive is expansive, take advantage of the search bar at the top of the Google Drive interface. You can type in the name of the folder to jump straight to it, saving you time. For those using Google Drive's mobile application, the process is virtually the same. Locate the file you want to move, tap on the menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots next to the file name, and select Move. Then, choose the destination folder and confirm your action by tapping Move Here. To stay organized, consider creating new folders for specific projects or categories of files. This can be done by clicking the New button, selecting Folder, and choosing a relevant name. And that's it. You now know how to move files into folders on Google Drive. Keeping your files organized in specific folders not only looks neat, but also makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. Whether you're on your computer or mobile device, this essential skill will greatly enhance how you manage and access your documents.